Hi everyone, this is blind stick. Actually, this is a box which we are constructed for the blind person, and these blocks are attached with the blind stick. Now, this is a smart box having inbuilt speaker, ultrasonic sensor, switches. It have inbuilt rechargeable batteries which you can easily charge, and with the help of mobile phone adapters, and you can easily connect your mobile phone with this to charge your mobile phone. It work like an adapter, work like a power bank. And here is one small switch which indicate the real time power available in this battery, and this is a normal switch of this device. Now basically this is an ultrasonic sensor which sense the nearby objects, and based on that it speak the distance, how much distance away from this box. So let's check how it exactly work. First we will see how we can charge this box with the easy mobile phone adapter. This is a mobile phone cable which we are going to use here, and this is normal mobile phone adapter, and just be connecting this adapter to this box. Here is sockets already given here, so I just connecting this socket. Now the socket is connected. Now it's showing the charging level. What is the charging level right now? So only single LED is glowing here because it's showing that almost all, actually there is four LEDs available in this box, which are not clearly seeing in this video, but four LEDs are there, and three LEDs are continually blinking, and the last one LED is on blinking, means charge is almost near to full, and it's showing 80% of charge, means 80% of batteries of your this device is almost full. So this is how it exactly this battery is charged in this box. Now we will just disconnect the battery and check the further outcomings of this box. Now just I disconnect the battery. Now battery is in the off mode. Now this LED is in the off mode because we already construct this box in the power saving mode. If all the LEDs are continually on, then it consumes the huge power, and this box having a maximum availability of 10 hour once in the one charges. So if you charge one time, this box is almost run more than 10 hours, which we can easily interface with the blind stick. Now here is small switch. I just turn on this switch. Now this device is turned on. Now there is no any obstacle in the range of 1 meter because there is huge difference between this box and the obstacle. That's why it's not speaking anything. So I am just using this cardboard and check whether this box is speak or not. So I just
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
So I keep here this
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
so similarly I increasing this box.
Alert, obstacle at 1 meter.
Now it is exceeded more than 50 centimeter.
Alert, obstacle at 1 meter.
That's why speaking obstacle is in the 1 meter.
Alert, obstacle at 1 meter.
So I just decreasing the
Alert, obstacle at 1 meter.
obstacle space. Now it is saying that obstacle in 50 centimeter. Now obstacle I decreasing this space. Now once again,
obstacle at 50 centimeter.
now below 20 centimeter,
Obstacle at 50 centimeter.
it start beeping. Now the obstacle is below 20 centimeter, so it shows the blind person that right now you are in the danger. So
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
so in this way this device is exactly work.
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter. Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
Once again I move below
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
20 centimeter. Now in this way this object is exactly work. So this is the portable device, and which you can easily.
Alert, obstacle at 50 centimeter.
Now it's detecting myself as a obstacle. That's why it's speaking. I just turn off this box, and this is a normal handy box which you can easily interface with the blind stick, and they can get and this is normal switch here available, with the help of which you can this is normal switch available here, with the help of which you can easily understand the power storage level available in this box. And